Angles at a point. Today we are learning to solve problems involving angles at a point and vertically opposite angles. You will know you are successful if you can describe how many degrees are formed when angles meet at a central point. You can describe what happens to angles when they are vertically opposite. You can use diagrams to calculate unknown angle sizes involving angles at a point and vertically opposite angles. So we know that angles at a point in a revolution, all of the angles will add up to 160 degrees. And we know that vertically opposite angles are always equal. So here we have the two different types. On the left, we have angles at a point. Now all of these angles will add up to 360 degrees. None of them that are opposite each other are equal because we can see that the lines aren't straight, okay? And then if you look at the one on the right, they're vertically opposite angles. We have two straight lines that are intersecting. These two straight lines that are intersecting create equal angles that are vertically opposite each other. So we can see that angle G and angle I would be equal, and angle F and angle H would be equal. So here we have an example of angles meeting at a point. Now we can see that these three angles are meeting at a central point, and angles that meet at a central point add up to 360 degrees. So we will have 60 degrees plus the other angle with the little box in the corner. We know that that's a right angle because the little box symbolizes that it's a right angle, and right angles are 90 degrees. And then we will have plus y degrees equals 360 degrees. So all three angles here will add up to 360 degrees. So to work out what y equals, we will do 360 minus 60 minus 90, which will equal 210 degrees. So y equals 210 degrees. Remember, you can use your calculator to help you calculate these. Here we have an example of vertically opposite angles. They also meet at a point. As we said earlier, when angles are vertically opposite each other, they are equal. So 130 degrees is vertically opposite K. So we can say that K will equal 130 degrees. Then we have 50 degrees, which is vertically opposite M. So we can say M equals 50 degrees. If we added these up, we would see that it added up to 360 degrees because they all meet at a point. So we would have 130 plus 130 plus 50 plus 50, which equals 360 degrees.